Mass number is the actually mass number is the your sum of the sum of protons and neutrons. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it is mass of some protons. But mass number, so it is a whole number, right? It is also almost equal to the atomic weight. Okay, almost equal, right? It is the whole number completely, but it is almost equal to the atomic weight, right? So we can consider mass number as the your atomic weight. We can consider, no problem.
Sir, now you don't know,
Sir, we
sir,
can
something
take
like
any
neutron,
three
proton.
elements, sir.
Which is
This will work for any three elements.
not any three element. Who told you any three element?
Sure, they have to be in the same group, sir.
Same.
And period has to increase
All
by
belong to
one.
all belong to same group, and they must have the similar property. Okay, you have not studied this one. I wrote it clearly. You are not reading the definition of it properly. They have these three elements having the same physical and chemical property. The property must be similar. Okay, and when the property physical chemical property will be similar, means the boiling point similar, melting point is similar, reaction with the air, water, acid also similar. That's in that case, these three
Sir.
elements means atomic mass of the media element is almost average of the other two elements.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, to find the middle element's atomic number, sir, the left element.
Sir, now you don't know something, no, sir. Neutron plus proton, like that.
That is the mass number.
Sir, what, sir? Could you repeat?
Mass number is the write down. Mass number is the sum of proton plus neutron. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
But always a whole number, sir.
Always whole number. It will always atomic
Okay,
mass is
sir.
not the whole
Sir,
number.
here, if we ask to find this thing, proton is equal to number of electron, no, sir?
Sir, atomic mass can be fractional, sir. Only
Yes, it is a fraction
only
also.
mass number must be whole number.
Yeah. Instead of taking mass number, you can take the atomic weight also. Okay, no problem. But atomic weight is not given. This you have to remember. If you, from the periodic table, if you take the atomic weight and if you divide by 2, you will get the almost the atomic weight of the middle element. So they're also following the law of trade, right? Actually, maximum elements are not following the law of trade. Only the some selective elements are following law of trades. Even you can see the sulfur. Next is selenium. Next is your tellurium. Okay, they're also following the law of trades. You can, this is a homework for you. Okay, similarly, if you take the calcium, strontium and barium, they're also following the law of trades. So you just this is for your homework, you try it. Okay, you can
Sir,
find
how can we find that number like 31, 75, 120 also?
it is given the period table. Now you just take the period table and check it out. They are following the law of trades.
Sir, but could you scroll up little bit?
Sir, in which notebook are you writing this in, sir?
It is one note, na.
Sir, actually, the yesterday's class notes, I still haven't received it through mail.
Sir, little bit scroll up, sir.
Yes.
Lithium, sodium, and potassium are in the same group, sir. They are not
Yes.
also-
They belong to the same group. Okay.
Sir, lithium will be alkali, sir. It will be in the first group. Sodium will be in the first group, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, after. Okay, sir.
Okay. You check. This is a homework, DNA homework. And again, law of trades were rejected, right? Now it was also rejected, right? Have you copied this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down the next point. The law of trades. The law of trades. Okay. It was rejected. Again, this is rejected. See, they are doing so much hard work, but every time someone is rejecting this one. Okay. Rejected. See, after doing some hard, they're saying you are waste, you are waste. See how people are so much doing hard work also. That's it. Right? Some trades have nearly same atomic mass. They have the nearly same atomic mass. Okay. For example, you have to show which are the elements which not following the trades. One is the Fe, cobalt, and nickel. Here it is failed. Next example is your ruthenium. Next will be the rhodium and palladium. This is also trades, but this is failed. Next we have the osmium. We can say iridium. Next we can take platinum. they also belong to same group, but here they are not following the law of triads. So it is not applicable to all of the elements. So it is rejected. Then who made the next trial? So after the law of triads, next is our next.
Okay.
No. Next trial was next scientist came. That is called French geologist. Next came French geologist. See, all are not given in that book. Okay, that's one thing. French geologist name is your A.E.B. Okay. Next is D. Chen Courtius. Chen Courtius. C-O-U-R.
Sir, what is his name? AEB?
I don't know. Some
Oh,
scientists.
that is the initial, sir.
Yes. So he's the French geologist. French geologist A.B. G. Chen Courtius. Courtois. Okay, so his name is there. So he gave the tellurix helix. So all are given. Their log tests were given. He gave the concept of tellurix helix. What is the tellurix helix?
Sir, it's like a cylindrical spheres. Sir.
Actually, he took one cylinder, and in that cylinder, he arranged he made the 16 something columns, right? And in 16 columns, he arranged the element like this one. It is back side. It will go to again back side and come to this side again. It will come to here again. From back side will go again here like this one. Okay. So there were 16 vertical lines were there. Vertical lines was there in cylinder. Right here. Right on say statement. He arranged the element. He arranged element known by.
Sir, the third one, he was rejected because some of the elements are having the same atomic number masses, no, sir?
Not some of, many. Okay, not some of. Some elements are, some are only following triads. All are saying no.
So we
Okay.
should not take his study.
So it is, they have not taken, no, it is useless study. It is, so leave it. Okay. So again, you have to remember only the name of scientist and law. Okay. Remaining you can reject it because all these are rejected and no need learning. Because they will ask you a question now. Okay. Who did what? So you have to give the answer properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So he arranged elements known by that time in order of.
Sir, how many trials are there totally, sir?
Wait. You're also asking like he's asking. You also keep patience. Just now we have started a topic. You are asking. You learn or whatever given is there. I'm giving you in order of increasing atomic masses. Okay, and made a cylindrical table and made a cylindrical table. Okay, cylindrical of elements.
Sir, what is his name?
A.E.B. D. Chen Courtois. Table elements to display the yes.
Sir, what is this word, sir?
Which one?
The underlined purple one, sir.
Known by that time.
No, known by that. At that time, whatever element he arranged all this. Okay. Okay, he started like lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, like that. He arranged a full 16 element together. Okay.
Is it
one
loops, sir?
It is like a helical structure. It is a helical.
Sir, what is this, sir? I can't understand.
Tellurix helix. Tellurix and HELIX. It is like a helical structure. Okay.
It should be like loop structures, what you have done, sir.
And each point. So each point, if you start from here, so one element by this side, one by this side. Can you see with the yellow mark? So there
Yes.
there were
Sir, it is
16
like a
elements
3D loops, sir.
Yes, yes. So there will be elements will arrange like this one. Okay. So in one loop consists of 16 elements. 16 vertical, you can say 16 vertical line means there will be 16 elements in one loop, right? There will be 16
Okay,
elements
sir.
in one loop. Understood? He arranged like this one. But this was also
One
not
full
accepted.
loop, sir.
Yes, one full loop.
Sir, it was in the form of a rectangular chart, or was it cylindrical itself, sir? Like, how was it represented?
In cylinder, you made the 60 lines and start with the lithium, beryllium, boron, and you put all point one element. Okay, it will be helical structure. If you see from the top, it is like this one. Okay, if you
Okay,
rotate,
sir.
it is going like a helical structure. So to display the periodic reoccurrence.
Sir, but how can he make a cylindrical, sir?
Why not
Sir,
Pastor? You take
So 16 vertical lines, how many horizontal lines, sir?
that I don't know. No need of knowing. Okay, it was rejected, right? Whatever he knows the element, he put all the elements in the cylindrical, right? Okay, he tried to put all the elements. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So too much research is
Okay,
not
sir.
there. So also it's not going too much in depth.
Okay, sir.
So this was also rejected, right? All are rejected only.
Sir, another scientist will also be rejected.
Actually, you can write the date. His date is 1862. Okay, and you can see
Sir,
that.
I think by 1890 only someone found, sir.
And angle was a 45 degree. Okay, the angle of helix was 45 degree. You can note it down, right? And
Sir, angle of helix meaning what, sir?
45. Wait, you write some more points given here. Wait. I will give you
So
some
this
more
is the
points.
angle of elevation.
Not elevation. Wait,
Like the part where the loops bend.
you want to write all this thing? You must wait. You write the full definition. He took a vertical cylinder. Okay, with 16 equidistant lines on the surface surface of the cylinder. I think now things will be clear. Okay, the lines were parallel to
Sir, is class till 7:30?
7:30, 6:30.
Oh,
630, sir.
The lines were parallel to the axis, axis of the cylinder, right? To the axis under a helix at 45 degree on, and the elements increasing order, elements in the increasing order atomic masses were
Sir, in the shared notebook, sir, only till redox reaction notes are coming, sir. After that,
I think what I'm writing, it will be also coming. You check it. I think
Sir,
it
it
is
was-
also there.
it was working until last week or so, but now when I opened only till redox reaction, it's there.
No, this is also there. Periodic table is also there. I just shifted now. You can check that. It is also there. Whatever I'm writing, you can same thing also there. Can you see the periodic classification?
No, sir. Only redox reaction and acid, bases, and salts Pearson book is there, sir.
Oh, I think you are seeing the PDG, na?
Sir, I can see periodic classification, sir.
Yes, yes, it is there.
Sir, which notebook is that, sir? Is that JSO batch class?
Yes, yes, yeah, it is
Yeah,
there.
JSO under redox reaction.
Elements. Deferred.
Sir, in JSO batch class, where is atomic structure, sir?
Yes, sir. For me also, it's not there.
I think
Only redox. Until yesterday, it was there, sir.
I think Neha posted yesterday. You got na? Right.
Sir, could you scroll up?
Sir.
I did copy, sir.
Sir, not that, sir. In one notebook you shared, no, sir.
I think
Where until yesterday redox reaction was after redox reaction there was atomic structure also was there, sir. New section. That section is not there, no, sir. Only redox reaction is there.
Okay, you want once again? You take it. Okay, I will update. I will move the file to the old batch.
Sir,
old
if you
file.
want more space, delete notebook, sir. Don't delete topic, sir.
Sir, if you delete notebook, everything will go, sir.
Yes, sir. No, I can't delete notebook. Okay, elements which differ from each other and to atomic mass 16 or multiples of 16. This you remember. This point is very important. He took the atomic mass 16 or multiple of 16. Yes. Mass of 16 fell in a vertical line from the center of the spiral. Center of the spiral. The elements in the vertical line, the elements in the vertical line
Sir, you are explaining how the cylinder will be.
yes. I'm giving the full notes so that you don't have any problem.
Okay, sir.
Nearly the same.
Sir, could you show the periodic table 1 second, sir?
Why you want to show the periodic table?
Sir, I want to see atomic
Sir,
weight.
sir, the atomic masses differed by 16, sir.
Yes. Because the line was 16, na? The line was 16, na?
Sir, till atomic mass 16, right?
No,
sir,
no.
from one element to another, sir.
Atomic mass or multiple of 16. Yes. Which differs
Sir,
from
but
to the atomic mass 16.
hydrogen, helium, and all, they don't differ by 16, sir.
I think hydrogen was discovered. Hydrogen was not discovered at that time.
Yes, sir. How is that possible?
No.
Hydrogen is discovered in the first itself, sir.
Yes, hydrogen discovered long back. Yes, hydrogen discovered long back. Hydrogen, no.
Sir, between hydrogen and helium, there isn't a difference of 16 atomic mass, sir.
I think helium was not discovered.
Sir,
yes, sir,
even
maybe,
between
sir.
hydrogen
Helium
and
was
lithium,
discovered.
sir.
Hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, something with that. No. He's
Sir,
saying
even till boron
Sir,
it
hydrogen,
comes
helium,
to,
and
sir.
lithium was discovered by the first
no. It is
proposal of Big Bang theory itself, sir.
It is showing multiple means one the line will be 16, other will be 32. Okay, like this is there. One will be oxygen, next will be sulfur. Like this is there. So if this is 16, this will be 32. This is the multiple. Okay.
Oh, on the same line, sir. On the same
group.
group. In the 18 groups, any same group.
Understood? Like this is there. They are matching almost multiple of 16. Okay, but this classification again. This classification was not accepted. After doing
Sir, but it differs, no, sir. It can be 2, 8, or 18, 32,
yes,
something.
yes. Somewhere matching,
18 is
somewhere
not a
not matching.
multiple of 16.
That's why now somewhere it was matching, somewhere it was
Oh,
not matching.
that's why they rejected this idea.
Oh, yes, sir. I forgot it. That, sir. You are teaching about the losses of some before Manly.
Exactly. Yes. Now next classification was, this is very long classification. The
The
next
little bit down, sir. I was copying.
A down. Okay. Now
Okay,
we
sir.
have the next is the new lands.
Sir, and after this is only, I think, Manly will come, sir.
Wait, don't be hurry up. Okay, don't be hurry. There are lots of things are there. Okay, your attention how, and this was given in 1862. It was given 1864, right? And law of trade was given in 1815 and 29. Date is also not confirmed. Okay, 18, 15, or 18, 20. In between some dates, the law was given. Right, it's very old. No. So it was given in 1864. So what is the, according to this, write down? According to this law, according to this law, the elements when arranged okay, fine. In order of their increasing atomic masses, increasing the eighth, we can say that the eighth succeeding, the eighth.
Sir, but who will tell whether this is accepted or not?
At that time, who will the scientist only tell now?
Other scientists will complain to other scientists.
Why not? It's possible. Why not possible?
Okay, sir. But some may be at that time, like the modern periodic table now, there no, sir. Then if there is some wrong in that.
Yes, still we have something is incomplete. Okay.
So the placement of hydrogen, no?
Yes. Still the whatever we are studying table is not complete. We'll read that also. Was the repetition, repetition, okay, of the first one, of the first one, like your eighth note of the musical scale. Okay, we have two type musical scale. One is the your Indian musical scale. One is the your
Western.
foreign Western musical scale, like a Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa, right? And we have Do Re Ni Sa also, right?
Do Re Mi Fa Sol.
Do Re Ni Sa also there. Do Re Ni Sa I don't know. I know only Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa. Okay, so we can see the musical scale. First, to write the musical scale. Musical scale is we can see Sa, Re, then Ga, then Ma, then Pa,
Da.
Da, then Ni, right? Nina, Ni. So now we can write the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So really, it was there like this.
Yeah, I'm playing joke.
So the
Why
eighth
you mock this
element
game?
is Sa.
Then eighth will be Sa only. If you see eighth will be Sa only again, Sa Re Ga Ma. So eighth is repeating now. So we have the element. So we can say first element.
So, but in Western only we call it as an octave.
Hydrogen, then lithium, then beryllium, then boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Okay. And after that, again, you can go.
Sir, where is helium, sir?
Helium was not discovered.
Oh, that's why he was rejected.
After that, fluorine. Okay. The next will be the
Fluorine,
sodium,
neon.
sodium,
neon was
magnesium. No.
Sir, in the first one, after OH will come, sir.
After O?
Will H
Sir,
come,
little
sir?
bit, can you scroll?
Up.
Like you said, sir, like after OH will come in the first example.
Sir, little bit scroll up, sir.
First way hydrogen. After O, next is fluorine only. This is second row, na?
Oh, okay,
First row,
sir.
hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, 7. After that, fluorine having the same property with hydrogen, okay? As lithium, same property. Even third row is also matching. Third row was your chlorine, potassium, calcium. Okay, after calcium, see, next is the chromium. After chromium, next is titanium, then manganese, and then your Fe. This came, right? No. But actually, this is applied only up to the calcium, right? Understood now? It's clear now.
Sir,
Yes,
little
sir.
bit more. Scroll up, sir. I didn't copy fully.
Mhm. Why it is failed?
Yes, sir. Now okay, sir.
Yes, sir. So it is work for the lighter elements, but fail for the heavy element, right? These are some limitation. Copy this one.
Sir, no, sir.
1 second, sir.
1 second, sir. We'll take screenshot.
Sir, this periodic classification notes is also missing from the notebook you sent, sir.
No, it is there. Now you can check it.
Sir, I even synced it, sir, but only till redox it's coming.
No. I think it's getting old notes. Who is getting? Neha, you are getting. Who is getting? It is there. I will show you. It is there. I'm not using this one, Fiji ID. You see here, acid base, not acid base.
For what, sir?
Acid base, de Broglie problem, periodic classification. Okay. Here, you can see now. Acid base and salt, de Broglie problems, and periodic classification. You can see there. All three are together. Okay.
Sir, what is your thing, sir?
Cr will be chromium. Cr is chromium,
Sir,
titanium.
1 second. Could you press that thing again, sir?
Which one? 3 books.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Could you
three
show
books.
the
See,
first one?
You will
first
get.
one.
Sir, how we should get these notes, sir?
Oh, first one is redox reaction. Okay.
Your email or Gmail ID will be added in the app, so we can.
Sir, can scroll up.
You can see acid, base, and salt, redox, and de Broglie, and periodic classification. All 4 are given. Okay.
Oh, now you are in periodic classification.
Yes, because.
But where is atomic structure, sir?
Wait, I am saying.
So you went to redox.
Sir, you should press the not recent, sir. You should go to redox. Yes, sir. It came,
Sir,
sir.
it came. So,
Yes.
so according to this law, the first row is the second row is the repetition of the first row, sir.
Because Saregama we repeating now. Eighth
Okay,
note
sir.
is repeating the first one. The like also every earth element is having the same property with the first one. Okay,
Sir, what does the first underline?
understood. So we'll do
Yes, sir.
remaining next class. We'll do remaining next class, right?
Sir, can you
Yes,
scroll
sir.
up a little bit? I just need.
Yes. Where?
What does
Sir, about this, sir.
the second one?
About